being charged with a DUI goes beyond just alcohol. You can be charged with a DUI for being under the influence of prescription drugs, over-the-counter drugs, and marijuana. What I want to talk with you about today is the marijuana, especially with all the new laws changing here in the state of Nevada. Many people think that since it's legal, that they can drive while under the influence of marijuana or with it being in your system. So there's two types of ways that somebody can be charged with a DUI under the influence of marijuana. One is by having active THC in their system. That means that they had to have most likely smoked marijuana within the past 4 hours from the time that they're stopped. Those cases are typically a little bit more difficult to defend because the prosecutor is going to try to show that they were impaired under the influence of marijuana at that time, that it was affecting them mentally and physically. The second type of DUI under the influence of marijuana charge is when you have what's called inactive marijuana in your system, or inactive THC marijuana metabolite. Now these cases are a lot easier to defend because you could have smoked weed a week before and still, at the time of the stop, have inactive marijuana in your system. And it's not affecting you mentally or physically in any way. But you could still be charged with a DUI if you fail to perform the field sobriety test properly, if the cop believes what he's seen are symptoms of somebody being under the influence of marijuana, they can arrest you and charge you with a DUI marijuana. Our defense is going to be very similar to a DUI with alcohol. We want to go through the police report very carefully, try to find any issues in the case, and then we also really want to hammer the chemist to let the judge or the jury understand that the person is not impaired while driving, even though they might have some old marijuana left in their blood.